Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Suti Hidayati.
Are you married or single?
I'm single.
What is your experience before?
I have experience work in Singapore for 2 years.
What is your duty in there?
My duty is take care the children.
How old are the children?
6 years old and 8 years old.
Do you need to cook in your ex-employer house?
Sorry?
Do you need to cook?
Yes.
Can you give me what kind of example you can cook?
I can cook like fried rice,
Mm-hmm.
fried chicken, fried noodle, steamed fish, soup, that's all.
Okay. Do you eat pork?
No, I cannot eat pork.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs?
Little.
Little bit. Okay. What
Uh-uh.
about elderly? Do you know how to take care elderly?
Sorry, I cannot care elderly people because I never do it before.
But you're willing to learn?
Yes, yes,